and other districts. We will implement each and every promise we have made to the youth. We will fill up the teachers' post by conducting the mega DSC within the 6 months. We are happy to inform you that the government has already begun the exercise to clean up the TSPSC. We will take steps to fill up 2 lakh vacancies within 1 year. Our government will soon be launching an action plan to provide house sites to the homeless and give rupees 5 lakh financial assistance for the construction of houses under the Indirama Housing Scheme. Under this scheme, SCs and STs will get 1 lakh additional amount. My government has observed that a majority of the complaints received under Prajavani are land related. This is the reason why during the elections we have promised that we will replace Dharani portal and its place the Bhumata portal which will be introduced, which will be transparent and solve all land related issues. I am happy to inform you that very soon an action plan will be put in place in this regard. We will constitute a land commission to protect government lands. The poor will be given rights to the 25 lakh acres of land distributed by the previous Congress government as part of the land reform program. My government has decided to take stringent measures against the use of banned drugs and narcotics in the state and to totally eradicate them. The government is very keen to totally eradicate the narcotic drug menace. Like the elite and exclusively greyhounds and the octopus, a full-time director is appointed to the Telangana State Anti-Narcotic Bureau. My government's action plan started is not just to control the drug mafia, but to totally eradicate them. In Telangana State, there should be no mention of or talk about the banned drugs. The government is very serious about the matter as it is harming the youth and destroying their career and future.